From sandy shores where waves gently play lives a bird that dances in the sun's warm ray, with feathers soft as the sand below. It's the snowy plover with a cheerful glow, with legs like sticks and a tiny frame. It scurries along without an aim. In the shifting sands it finds its delight, chasing tiny bugs from morning to night. With wings so delicate it flits and flies in the endless blue of coastal skies. Its call is soft, a gentle coo, as it searches for food so small and true. In the warmth of summer by the ocean's side, the snowy plover finds a place to abide, with waves as lullaby and sun as its friend. It lives in harmony from start to end. So let's admire the snowy plover's charm, in the sandy beaches so tranquil and warm, a tiny bird with a heart so true, bringing joy to all as it flutters away.